Hello friends, welcome to Siva Academy. This video series is mainly to address the questions and the comments that I am receiving through mail or in the comment section. As a continuation of that, here is another interesting question that I have received from one of the subscriber. First, let me explain what is the question is about. Then we will see how to resolve this problem statement using SQL. So the question is, we are provided with an employee table with two columns, employee ID and employee name. So the expectation here is we need to write a query to sort the employee information such a way that the employee ID which having even number should come first, followed by the employee IDs with odd number. For example, in this case, our output should be something like employee ID which is having even number. For example, 2 Ravi, followed by 4 Arun, followed by 6 Praveen, followed by 8 Madhi, followed by 10. After that, all the employees with odd number should display. For example, then it should start with employee ID 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is the expectation. Let's see how to write a SQL to achieve this functionality. Since I already created the table, let me just drop and recreate the table. Now that the table is created, so let's query the information from the table from table name E. So I'm selecting employee ID, ename. So I'm just going to show you two different ways by which this can be implemented. And in fact, this can be implemented in multiple ways. So let's see the first option. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to use the modulo function. So I'm just using modulo of employee ID, 2. So basically what this function will do is it will divide the employee ID by 2 and it will return the remainder. So wherever the remainder is 1, that means these are all odd numbers and the rest of the employees are even numbers. So this is one of the easiest option to find which one is an odd or even. So using this we can sort the employees. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say order by, let's copy paste this same modulo function here. We are basically sorting based on this remainder value. So all the even will come first, then followed by the odd. So within that, let's put employee ID. That means within odd even, I just want to again sort based on the employee ID. Anyway, we don't have to display this remainder. So let's just remove it from here. So this is the expected output. Now, if you see, all the employees with even numbers are sorted and it came first, followed by the employees having odd employee ID. So this is the first implementation. Let's see one more method of implementation. So let me copy the same select statement. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say where modulo of employee ID, 2 equal to 0. So basically what this query will return is this will fetch all the employees with even numbers. So let me just put order by employee ID. Now let me copy the same query and let me put, instead of 0, let me put 1. So basically this query will return all the employees with odd number. So basically we have actually two queries now. One query which will return all the employees with even employee ID and another query which will return all the employee with odd employee numbers. Now I'm just going to just combine the output of both the query. Let's say select star from union all, select star from. Now let me execute the final query. Now you can see here. So this is the output. So basically what we are doing is we wrote two select statement. One select statement is basically to fetch the first half of the output. Similarly, another select statement to get the second half of the expected output. Okay. So these are the two methods I've just showed you. In fact, this can be implemented in much different options also, and I would encourage you to try different options. And if you're able to write a query, please put it in the comment section. So here is the query for your reference. In the first method, we just simply used the modulo function, and it is the easiest and simplest option to implement. And in the second method, I'm just using two queries. As I mentioned, one query to basically fetch the first half of the output, that is to get the employees with even number, and second query is basically to get the employees with odd number, that is basically to get the second half of the output. If you want any questions to be answered, you can post it in the comment section or you can drop to this mail ID. But before that, you can check whether a similar question has already been posted as part of the interview question series or as part of the subscriber question series. If you're not able to find your question, please write back to me or you can post it in the comment section. If you have learned something new, please like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for new feature video, interview question, SQL practical question and concept videos. And thanks a lot for watching this video.